Hi guys, welcome to the system. Where are we? If you saw last video, we are on Hell 1. And Hell 1, there we go, looks better like this. So it's an LTS, it's an Arch Linux distro, and we've installed it and tweaked it, changed it. It's Cinnamon system settings, right? So some coloring here, some icons, themes, all kinds of things we've changed. And we've tested it for the Arch Linux tweak tool. But I also tested it for the KIB, right? The Kiro Iso Builder, KIB for short. And if you run this one, I've just made a new version of it, since the logic behind the switch was not okay, in the sense that the switch is the plasma choice. So there are lots of videos about Kiro Iso Builder things and lots of tweak tools as well on Kiro. Guys, if something is wrong because of updates often, right, you just tell me on GitHub discussions or somewhere else that I shouldn't look at the code. I should look at this or that package because of this or that issue. So I've discovered my own issue in the video and it's already updated. So first of all, install Kiro Iso Builder. Then you're going to make sure everything is green. We did that in video number, let's have a look, Edu117. That's where you find me, you see me install this and make this all green. Then it's the next step where it gets wrong. When we click on plasma, this should happen. It did not happen at some point in time when I was trying it out again after the video, right? I said, okay, Claude, right? I work with Claude code. Go and have a look at the logic behind it. Why is this thing not showing? First time it did not show. When you launch it again, it shows, right? So it's a bad logic programming somewhere. So basically, everything is fixed. So if you choose Plasma, you get this extra. And that's my choice, right? I want to have extra themes. I want to have extra icons and also configuration for Dolphin, for Plasma key bindings like Ctrl+Alt+G, right? That should work. Super+Shift+Enter should open up a Dolphin in this case because it's Plasma, otherwise it's Thunar, but also a theming up here. So that's fixed. Basically, I'm just here to tell you that we've updated the system, and Kiro Iso Builder is super interesting because of the fact that you can choose, right? You choose our code. If you did that, you can choose the kernel from different sources. Choose a kernel. In this case, I chose just the Linux kernel with none as second one, but you can choose two kernels. But of course, if you know what kernel you want, what kernel is working on your system, right, it's just the one. And you decide either you want to have window managers, which I would always tell you to do that, because it's a kind of fallback, right? It's gonna work. This is Cinnamon, so we could build our own Cinnamon version. But if you decide to install window managers or tiling window managers, right, you just go and select one more in here, and then you say, okay, let's go on, save and continue. Deselect all or select all. These are the packages that come from Kiro, but you might have a totally different vision of it or a partial vision, right? So deselect is maybe a good thing, and then decide, oh yes, I do like the firewall there, and so on and so on. You keep on pressing the buttons, say I want this, I want that, and maybe this one as well, etc., right? Firefox should be there, etc. You scroll, you click, and LibreOffice is there or not, makes the ISO bigger, but it's your ISO, right? You're not going to share this with the community. It's your personal ISO. We're building a Kiro, basically an Arch Linux ISO, right? Whether we call it Kiro or Erik or Orion or whatever, it's just a name. We're an Arch. and then save, and you start building, and off you go. You see where it's going to go. Here we're going to build, and here the ISO will pop out, and it's a start build. Of course, I'm not going to continue to build an ISO on this virtual machines, would be ridiculous, but it's possible, right? Anyway, update Kiro Iso Builder. If you did not find it already, if you did not find the videos already, super interesting tool to rebuild basically to your own vision, right? Saying, okay, Erik is delivering us XFCE and OMyChatWM with all the tools. You can use all kind of variations in this regard and play with it and have your own ISO. Install again. All right, have fun.